explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with the chapter number 23rd of grammar, and the name of the chapter is biography, right? So, let us read the chapter and find out that what is biography, right? So, they say that a biographical sketch of Mother Teresa based on the plan is given below. तो मदर टेरेसा का एक बायोग्राफिकल स्केच हमें यहाँ पर दिया गया है. सो इट इज़ अबाउट द फेमस पर्सनालिटी मदर टेरेसा, राइट? सो बायोग्राफिकल स्केच बेसिकली होता है जब आप एक पर्सनालिटी के बारे में आपको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई हो और आप उनकी लाइफ के बारे में सब कुछ लिखो. जैसे कि वेयर वाज शी बॉर्न, when did she die, what were her achievements, what were the education, from when did she started studying, from when did she decided to do this and that, and what were her achievements throughout her life, right? So ये सब चीज़ें जब हम एक पर्सनालिटी के बारे में लिखते हैं तो वो कहलाती है एक बायोग्राफी, राइट? सो इसी तरीके से आपको कुछ प्लान दिया हुआ होगा, right? And after reading that plan, you have to frame the biography of that uh, personality, right? So let's just read it. So here we have the plan. First of all, let's read the introduction. A great missionary in the cause of helping the poor and the suffering won honor and respect for her work. Then birth. Born on August 27 in Skopje, Yugoslavia, father an Albanian grocer. Missionary career. Decided to become a nun at 12, joined Sister of Loreto in 1928. Came to India as a teacher in St. Mary's High School in Calcutta. Shocked by living conditions in slums, decided to help the needy. Right? Next, her achievements. Founded Order of Missionaries of Charity in 1948. Nirmal Hridaya, Home for Dining, 1952. Set up a colony for lepers, opened schools, orphanages, clinics, Shishu Bhavan, homes for crippled and retarded children. Awards and honors. Awarded Nobel Prize in 1979, Bharat Ratna in 1980, Order of Merit in 1983. Death 5 September 1997 at the age of 87. Right? Now, let us see कि ये तो हमें प्लान दिया हुआ था. अब हम कैसे इसकी मदद से एक बायोग्राफिकल स्केच लिख सकते हैं. So it is Mother Teresa was a great missionary who dedicated her life to helping the poor and suffering in India and in other countries. She won respect and honor for her selfless work. Mother Teresa was born in Skopje in Yugoslavia on August 27 in 1920. She was the daughter of an Albanian grocer. She decided to become a missionary at the age of 12. In 1928, she joined the Sister of Loreto, a community of Irish nuns. Shortly afterwards, she came to India to become a teacher. While she was the principal of St. Mary's High School in Calcutta. She was shocked by the conditions of people living in slums and decided to work for them. She took training in medicine and founded the Order of Missionaries of Charity in 1948 to help the poor and destitute. She opened the first Nirmal Hriday shelter for the dying in 1952. She set up a colony for lepers. Time later, the Order of Missionaries of Charity opened schools, orphanages, clinics, Shishu Bhavan homes for the crippled and retarded children. Her work of charity helped thousands of poor and helpless men, women, and children. Right? So, this was the total biography. I hope you all have learned that how we can use the plan itself to frame the good biography of the personality. Right? Moving ahead, we have a lot more uh, examples, questions for you so that you can create your biographical sketch just by using the plans of the given personalities, right? So, that was all from my side. I hope you all got it better and you all are very much interested in framing these biographies. So, that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.